Ray-Bans are my natural style, so this fits my look. Meta launched its first smart glasses last year, Ray-Ban Stories, which are Ray-Ban sunglasses that had built-in audio features and cameras, and now there's an update. This year, there are more designs. There's also the headliner design in addition to Wayfarer, and there are more colors. There are transparent ones like the one I'm wearing, so you can actually see the electronics inside. The new Ray-Ban Stories are coming October 17th for $300. And the concept is similar in that they charge up in this nice leather case like before, but the case looks fancier, and it can charge up to 8 uses. And they're meant to be used for short bursts for recording, up to a minute if you're recording clips through these, or up to 30 minutes in a new feature that has live streaming to Instagram. So you can swap between your phone camera and these for a view of what's going on. So I'm gonna start switching over to my view and streaming. There's a little button on top that you double press to switching over to that view. Here we go, 1, 2, 3.
This is the mobile view.
And now you're seeing what I'm seeing. Yep. This is Scott Vision.
Yeah.
I'm looking around, and you see I'm looking at the little coffee stand. I'm looking over here. It's like Avatar. You can just kind of just get my view as I walk down the street.
Yeah.
Do all my boring everyday life stuff, or hang out with the kids. I don't have a cat, but kids are like cats, and I could do magic tricks. Magic trick cam. So if you hadn't been following what Meta did last year with Ray-Ban Stories, these are also voice activated. So you do photos and video. I could go, hey Meta, take a photo. And I could hear the little whoop and as it took a photo. Or, hey Meta, take a video. And I heard a little good start, so just to let me know that it's recording. There's a pulsing light too, which maybe makes you pay more attention to it. And that happens anytime you're recording video, and it's right there. Hey Meta, record video. So now I'm gonna try, I guess, immersive audio recording. There are 5 microphones here. We're gonna get all ASMR with this. And I'm gonna start doing slinky stuff and snapping. And I guess I'm gonna be able to hear this around me later, so I don't know. I wish my son could hear this. I can hear things floating around me. I hear John, Scott. I hear the slinky, I hear some snapping around me. So these glasses do spatial audio. If you have AirPods or other headphones, you may already know about spatial audio, which gives that 3D kind of sound effect around you. These have 5 microphones, so they can do some spatial audio recording, and then they'll either play back in spatial audio headphones if you've got them, or in these glasses. So what I was hearing was like little bits of something going on here, something going on there, a little bit of slinky. So yeah, there was like a little bit of spatial environment. A lot of the design here may look similar, but it's been improved inside. It's using a Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 processor. Touchpad is larger, the sound is a little boomier. So the controls for music are pretty straightforward. You do a tap to play or pause. You also can do double tap and skip forward to a different song. You can triple tap to go back. I mean, it's pretty familiar if you have earbuds possibly. And for volume, you swipe forward and you swipe backwards to lower the volume.
Got it.
There's a larger touchpad this time, and it's supposed to be better responsiveness. It feels pretty responsive. So Ray-Bans are coming out around the same time as the Meta Quest 3, also announced at Meta Connect. 2 different worlds. One's a VR headset, one's audio and camera smart glasses. In the future, the idea is that some of these things might start meeting, but we're not there yet. These are for people who want a camera on their face, that want to listen to music on the go and in glasses, and like that concept, and like the idea of Ray-Bans. And I'm curious about testing these more, and we'll have a review at some point when we wear them fully. You probably can't hear what I'm listening to, but I can. I can listen to the music.
Just dancing along down the street, yeah.